Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Irfan bin Suradi. I'm a first year medical student in USM KLE. So today, I'll be talking about significance of childhood education and its effect to the children and others such as the community, the parents, and also even our country. So let's go. First and foremost, why is childhood education important? There is actually a lot of significance of the childhood education, but for the sake of this presentation, I will only list out and highlight two of the most important points. So, the first, early childhood experience lasts a lifetime, and this we can see from two perspectives, such as the good and the bad. Example of a good experience is making friends and also playing with them. This will increase their self-confidence and also self-esteem. On the other hand, negative or bad experiences can be domestic violences such as physical abuse and even mental abuse. This will cause behavioral changes in the children and also lowering down their confidence. So, the next point is childhood education is actually an investment for the future, as the child will grow and then contribute to the community itself. So here, I have listed out three aspects of the effect of childhood education, which are, first, socialization, second, teamwork, and the last one is the brain development. So let's discuss it one by one. So how can early childhood education contribute to socialization? So the first is the practicing of basic interaction skills, which are communication and also listening. Both of these skills are actually a component of effective communication, which in return will teach them manners, respect, and also empathy. Next would be the encouragement of unity. Despite their differences, they still learn, making mistakes together and learn from it together. Moving on to the next aspect, which is teamwork. So in teamwork, there is the practice of discipline, where the children have common goals as well as same objective, and they will work on it to achieve the goal together. And a leader should lead the children to achieve the common goal, and that is nurturing leadership skills. That we can see such as in playing sports or any activity. The captain of the team must achieve respect from others, and the followers need to be obedient and cooperate to win. Moving on to the next aspect, which is brain development. As the children grow, their brain will develop better in time. So, in early childhood education, problem-solving skills will be enhanced, also analytical skills and talent will be developed. Problem-solving skill will come in handy later in life because as they grow, they need to be creative in solving problems or an issue. And one of the main thing to do to solve a problem is to identify its source. And to identify the source, they need to have good analytical skills from their observation and also to collect information to solve their problem. And talent will be developed from such a young age and based on their passion in their respective industry they want to be, such as in the music industry, they want to be a famous guitar player or even a famous song composer or even a famous artist such as Leonardo da Vinci. So in conclusion, a proper preschooling which involves proper standard operation procedure and supported with the passion of an educator and also the support of parents will result in high social skills of children, courage and also high perseverance. Later will conclude as success in life, as the children will be great leaders, great thinkers and also scientists one day that will contribute to the community, and I said to give effect on the country, will make the country even better, making innovations that will solve global problems, thus making the world a better place to live. That is it from me, Ahmad Irfan bin Suradi, a first year medical student of USM KLE. Thank you.